Back to check out the YouTube channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. Today, I will quickly show you how to add a cap and discount in your Shopify store. For this, I'm using the next cap and discounts app from Shopify App Store. You can also install from the Shopify App Store. I also attached the link in the description. So once you install the app, so you can open the app, then you can click on create new discount, so we can give a title. I'm giving a title 10% off. And also I'm making a discount code. I'm giving the same name. I'm giving a percentage discount. It's 10% discount. And this is the capping amount. I'm giving a 100 rupees capping. So it can be applied for all products, specific product, specific collection or specific products. I'm now applying for all products. So this is not mandatory. When you are using an automatic discount, you can make it here. So I am also giving a minimum purchase amount of 500 rupees and giving a customer eligibility to all customers. And you can also combine with any other discounts. I'm not combining now, and save it. Once you saved, you can see this particular discount on your discount section. And also you can edit. You can click on this one and you can edit from here also. Okay. Now we are testing the discount on our online store. First, we try to test with this below 500 rupees. Now it's below 500 rupees. It should not apply the discount, right? And you can see it's not applying. And now we test with something above 500 rupees and I'm adding it and check out. So it should be 10% off this amount. And when I apply, you can see it's adding 10% off it. Now we are testing the capping. So I'm adding two products and I'm also adding one more product. So you can see I'm adding these products. And now you can see it's 3929. So 10% of this is 392. But our capping is only up to 100 rupees. So you can see this is applied only 100 rupees. So it's split between those products, right? And people only get 100 rupees as discount. If you find this video helpful for you, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.